Hey friends, it's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. It's Sunday, and Haley and I are fixing to have a brand new flavor of ketones. Haley has not tried this yet, so Haley's going to taste it and give you her opinion. Guys, I love it. It tastes just like the Bomb Pop Popsicle. Remember when you were little and you had the red, white, and blue popsicle on the stick? This is exactly what it tastes like. It's called Bomb Pop Bliss. I want to make sure you know about it because we released it this weekend, and it is a seasonal flavor. It is not going to be here long, and when it's gone, it's going to be gone. We're not going to make it again. So if you're like me and you like to keep a lot of different flavors in your house, you're not drinking the same thing every day, and you want a really good treat, this Bomb Pop Bliss is delicious. So current customers, if you're already drinking ketones and you love them and you want a new flavor, make sure you check out the Bomb Pop Bliss. If you're not drinking these yet, guys, say me. I want to make sure I help you with fat loss, energy, and focus. I know you watch the page. I know you see how successful I've been because it's been a true success story. Someone who is a food addict who's moved from a size 12 to a 4-6, maintaining 6 solid years, guys. Feeling confident, feeling happy, feeling energized. If you want the help and you need the help, say me. And current customers, if you're already drinking ketones and you're ready for a new flavor, brand new flavor, go ahead and log in and get your Bomb Pop Bliss. Haley is about to taste it for the first time. I'm just mixing it up for her. We've got family over. It's Sunday. It's family day. So my in-laws are here, and Haley and Dakota are here, and of course me and Ricky and my mom. We just went through tons of pictures from Switzerland. I know I got on their last nerve, but it's okay. Let me get this shaken up, and I'm going to let Haley taste it. Let me get a little bowl.
Glasses from your last visit, because the glasses tell you how long they are.
All right, so I got Haley a glass. And if you're looking for something different and you're looking for something new, this Bomb Pop Bliss is really, really good. It tastes just like the Bomb Pop Popsicle, and look how pretty it is. It's really blue. So here's Haley. Haley, before you taste it, you got to tell all of my friends why you love ketones. Because we've got some new people that are following the page now, and they don't know us that well.
Well, my face looks skinny now.
She's been going to the gym with me. We're going to start our 10th week, right? Or is it longer than that now?
I think it's 10.
It was June 8th, I think, is when we started. So June, July, August. No, I think it's been, I don't know. I'm horrible with time. Time flies. So tell us, Haley, why you love ketones.
I like them for appetite control and focus. Those are my main two.
Yes, I love it, love it, love it for appetite control and energy. I love it for the energy. I get up every single morning lately at 5:15, and we're going to the gym. And we're not just going to the gym. We are doing more than we ever had before and feeling amazing for the rest of the entire day drinking ketones. So, Haley, I'm going to let you taste this the very first time. It's called Bomb Pop Bliss. My mother-in-law's here, too. She might want to taste it. It is on the little sweeter side, but I really, really like it.
It smells like a popsicle.
It tastes just like the Bomb Pops. Remember the Bomb Pops when you were little, the red, white, and blue popsicles on the stick? It's good, ain't it? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It actually has a kick of sweet and a little sour.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
A little sour.
I like it.
You want to taste it, Josie? My mother-in-law is going to come around here and taste it too. She does not drink ketones every day. She does not drink ketones every day. Y'all hear me? She says she doesn't need energy.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
It tastes just like the Bomb Pops.
It
It's
does.
really, really good, y'all.
Real good.
If you're looking for something new and different, this is a brand new flavor. It's the first time we've had a new flavor in over 2 years. The last new flavor we made was limoncello. This tasted like the lemonade, and it was delicious. This one is Bomb Pop Bliss, and it tastes just like the popsicle, the Bomb Pop Popsicle. So good, you can blend it. I blended one yesterday with ice. You can put it in ice cubes and freeze it. So you can actually have a Bomb Pop Popsicle that puts you in ketosis, that gives you fat loss, energy, and focus. You can do so many things with it. It's so delicious. Hey, Amanda, how are you? I see Tamara on here and Irene and Stephanie. I hope you guys are having a great day. So we're going to jump off. I just want to come on fast enough for you to know about this new flavor release. Don't miss it. If you're drinking ketones and you love them and you want new flavors, this new flavor is great. And it's only going to be here for a very short time. Our seasonal flavors are going to get back to seasonal. They're going to be here for a short time. We're going to make them one time, not over and over and over, because we want to keep our main focus on our main flavors. But guys, I love to mix things up, and this one really is good.
It is good. I really enjoyed it.
Fat loss, energy, and focus, guys. If you need the help, say me. If you're not drinking them, if you're already drinking them, log in and have fun in the store with the Bomb Pop Bliss. It looks just like this. And it tastes just like a mom pop. All right, guys.
Yes.
Gotta go. Bye.
Bye.